missing, and Lee Stalin from the Milwaukee County Examiner's Office.
Well, does they correspond?
A. You have an A in your name. Ooh, pretty green. Excuse me. That's how we break
Yeah, sassy.
Mom in the nose.
You say I'm sorry, Mama? Sorry.
Do you want stamps? Who do you want? Elmo, Cookie, or Big Bird? Big Bird? Big Bird?
Cookie, Mama. I just said cookie, Mama.
She did. You want Cookie? Nice, nice, Big Bird. There you go. Nice, nice, Big Bird. Who's gonna cry? Make nice, nice. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. All done with Big Bird? Here, do you want Elmo or Cookie? Cookie? Here you go. Big nice, nice Cookie. Nice, nice. Good job. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. What's his name? Here, you have to put it down flat. There's Elmo. 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 Is this a cat? Meow. Cat says meow. What does the horsey say? What does the horse say? You put the cover on. Who's this? Dora. Do you have a Dora pillow? Do you sleep on a Dora pillow? Cookie. Who do you want? Which one? Big Bird, Elmo, or Cookie? Cookie? Elmo? Say please. Say thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Cookie. No, I mean Elmo. Here, should we open some Elmo stickers? Elmo? Oh, on the paper. Good girl, on the paper. Look, numbers. 1. Can you count? 1. 2. 3. Put it on your hand. Oh, now on the paper. 2. There's 3. You all done with 3?
Are you stamping? You like your little stamps? Stamp. You say stamp? We're recording in 1080p, baby. HD. The baby is in HD. What's on your hand? You got awa? You got awa? What's on your hand? Is that ink? Did you accidentally stamp yourself? I think you accidentally stamped yourself. It won't come off. It's on there. It's ink. You got your first tat. I don't know if Mama's gonna be happy. Yeah. Big Bird. Are you coloring? Are you putting your own stickers on? Ooh. Do you need help? Can you hold up your drawing that you made?